Welcome, we're on our way to Fusion Expo. It takes place once a year in Toronto, where all the content creators, if you're into photography, videography, anything to do with cameras, anything to do with films, you're gonna find all the latest and greatest gadgets. You got Canon's gonna be there, Sony's gonna be there, DJI, Sennheiser, every maker of any camera equipment is going to be there. So I'm going to take you on a walking tour of this place. So if you register online, you get free passes to go. I think it's free for everyone if you just register. You got to go to fusionexpo.com, I believe. I got a link through my email, so I don't know the exact site, but hey, go on the link and you can register. By the time you see this, it's going to be over. It's a 2-day event. So the event is put on by VISTEK. It's a store in Toronto. They sell all camera equipment. So the reason for my visit to the expo is to look for the DJI Pocket Osmo 3. Somehow I tried to buy it on the Best Buy site. It's always sold out. It just came out. I went to buy it last night, went to click it, and it wouldn't allow me. It just wouldn't allow me to buy it. So hopefully I find it here. I'm filming on the Action, DJI Action. Action 3. I need the Osmo 3. Hi. Do I just show you this?
Yeah. Okay.
Alright. So I got my badge. This is it, guys. You can see that. So, but where did I get the thing from? Hi, where did I get one of those to put it on my neck?
At the top of the stairs.
Okay, perfect. Okay.
Yeah.
So here we are, guys. We're at the Expo, ProFusion Expo. All the show specials. So let's see what's the show all about. Obviously Sony's here. We got the new A9, Alpha 9 came out. It's like $8,000. A bunch of lights. Look at that. So I'm looking for DJI. Oh look, they got models here. Look at their hair moving. It's like got fans on or something. Look at that. These are the lights. Look at these guys, man. Look at these. Photography is a man's world, it looks like. Everyone has their professional cameras out. I'm the only guy taking videos. You got Tilta. Look at that.
That was so cool.
Control the remote control. Look at that. Look at that. some high-tech camera equipment. Do you think I should buy one of these things?
She said I'm robbed of everything that I own at least once a month. And she said it's a bit ridiculous because the homeless aren't supposed to rob the homeless, right? That's the rule. But a lot of people struggle with addiction and mental health. And that's what makes them do it, right? And then looking down at her sleeping dog, Tinkerbell.
You got bags. The problem with these camera bags is they're not theft proof. I researched so many bags for traveling and they don't have slash proof bags. That's the problem. So when you're out in like Cambodia, Thailand, Vietnam, you know, someone can slash your bag and steal your camera equipment, your passport, etc. No. Yeah, color correct. DaVinci Resolve. I use this. I use DaVinci Resolve. These high-tech cameras. I should buy one of these. Do you think I should buy one of these?
The motion on the head is unrealistic.
They got more vendors this year than last year. Red cinema cameras.
It's crazy, right?
Look at this thing. Compared to what I got, this is like high tech. Look at the tripod. Look at the price of that tripod. That's for like a heavy duty camera. Imagine me using that thing. Got sliders, heavy duty sliders. Look at this. Manfrotto tripod. Actually, I am looking for a small tripod. I'm looking for the DJI. Let's look for the DJI. That's what we're here for. The DJI. Sennheiser. My microphone is from this company. My shotgun mic. Oh, there's going to be another model here because all the guys are here taking pictures. See?
So, okay, I'll just explain this.
That's probably who it is. Let's see.
We put this slide.
Oh, see? Everyone is here.
Originally, in her tutorial, her light would be on the smaller stand right behind the model, okay? Our stand is kind of humongous, so we can't really do that, so we had to put it on the side. But now what we're going to do, I'm going to get JP to take that light off. He's going to go behind the backdrops. You guys won't see him.
Canon colors. Road is here. Where's DJI? That's what I'm here for. I'm here for DJI. Nikon is there. There's a drone company right here. If you want to fly a drone, this is the company. Come here. Drone training. They give you a drone license. Oh, there we go. We got DJI right here. all the drones. I don't know.
Mini scope, 4 combo. They're on discount.
Hi, my friend. Are you selling the DJI Action? No, not Action. The Osmo Pocket 3?
This guy's not holding it right here.
You do selling it?
We are not selling it here at the booth, but they are selling it at the sales booth.
They do?
It is on show special.
Okay. Is it in stock or is it?
I don't know if it's in stock.
Well, that's the thing, man. I've been looking for that. So this is the camera, guys, that wanted to buy. Oh. This is it, guys. That's the one.
It's basic 670.
Got a big booth this year.
That's a C7.
So guys, I'm trying to wait on this Osmo right there. This guy has it. I think that's like a hot product. Cool. I'm gonna buy it. I want to know some return policy. So, if I buy it from VISTEK, if it's unopened, what's the return policy on it?
Well, unfortunately, you'll have to ask VISTEK for it.
Oh, okay, you got.
DJI.
Oh, okay, you're just DJI. Okay, okay, all right.
Because 250 grams.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. So
okay.
all these are 249 with the standard battery. If you get the plus battery, it's going to put it over. So the give and take is you get more battery, but then you have to get this.
I got slow motion.
Birds. This bird loves to sing.
Started it. Somebody doesn't like you.
Bird is loud. I haven't seen any of the YouTubers here today. What's going on here, my friend?
What's going on?
Good, good. You guys are doing like a special.
Yeah, absolutely. We're just doing a setup just kind of like showing the clients the colors
Okay.
of Fuji out
Okay.
of that. And then on top of that, we're just taking photos and uploading them to the cloud.
Okay, excellent, excellent. So, where's the models?
The models, you can be the model.
Oh, okay,
So anybody who will stand on the booth can take advantage.
Oh, I
so
see.
we're just giving portraits exactly for free. So.
Oh, okay.
So,
That's what it is.
Yeah.
I didn't see that.
So then you
I
will stand up, I take a photo, you scan it, then you get your photo.
Okay, all
And
right.
everybody's happy.
Okay, all right. Okay.